Okay, we're going to have a look at this 2008 Yamaha FZ6. We're going to grab the camera and have a good close look all around the bike for you. Okay, let's go in for a close look at this Feza. It has a full HPI check, which is clear, and a full government mileage check. It does come with a spare key in the pack. This is also super low mileage. It does also have an alarm on it. Start over at the front and we'll work our way back, right the way around the bike. As you can see, it's a super high gloss black paintwork on it. Let's have a look over on the right hand side first. Check out the front wheel. It is really low mileage, this. You can see by the condition of the bike how low the mileage is. Paintwork's nice and bright on it. Get a look over on the left hand side at the engine. See just how clean this is. Try and get as close up as I can. Get a good look at the chain and the sprocket. Let's have a look over at the seat as well. Again, in excellent condition. Get a look at the tank. And we'll get a look at the back end of this. Back tyre looking good. We'll move over onto the right hand side. Get a good close look round this. It is a credit to its former keepers. I think it is only 2 former keepers. Let's get a good close look at the exhaust there. As you can see, it is in really good condition, this. And what we'll do now is we'll go and take a look at the controls and get the exact mileage off it. Right, let's take a look at the controls. Pretty standard layout on this. Got your brake, your throttle, kill switch and starter on this side. As we move over to the other side, you've got your lights, your indicators, your horn, hazards, clutch. It has got an alarm on this, so I'll turn this off before I turn the ignition on. Get that mileage off it. As you can see, it's only done 4,043 miles. Okay, let's start this up, listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything close up you want to see, we can do that and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.